What's up, guys? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today I want to show you a resource that I just came across that I think will really help your cold calling efforts and cold calling knowledge, and just get you caught up to speed quicker. I'm a big believer in learning from experts and cutting the learning curve, because everything you're doing and potentially doing incorrectly is a waste of time. I shouldn't say a waste of time. But if you can shorten that curve by getting a coach or learning directly from an expert, you move much faster and you create that much more velocity in the business. So I just came across this resource. We use Close CRM. It's awesome. It's meant for inside sales, and it's a really cool tool. Big fan. Their blog is full of awesome resources for sales in general. They've got a lot of good stuff on cold calling as well. And this resource I came across, it's a giant library of I think 25 or so videos from a range of different people, from Stelly, the owner of the company. There's some videos on Cardone there. There's the Salesman podcast. There's all sorts of good stuff in here. And I just want to go through it real quick. I lied, not 25, 23. So we've got Stelly doing a video on quickly get efficient at cold calling. There's the anatomy of successful cold calls. This one is Brian Casella. He's a guy, a channel I've watched for a while. He's in the real estate space, and FSBO is for sale by owner. Within that space, there's a lot of cold calling done. He's got a bunch of live cold calling videos on his channel. Good resource for sales as well. Another one on why calls fail. And this is actually a good video. I've seen this before, and it just goes down to, everyone thinks like, oh, I've made 10 calls. Why I don't have an appointment? Why don't I have a sale? The reality is it is a funnel, just as this describes. You need a certain number of leads to get a certain number of dials to get a connection, an actual conversation with a human, and then qualify a certain portion of them, and you have a sales appointment, and a certain percentage are going to close. So it is a volume game, unless you are incredibly nasty on the phone and can get that, get your reaches and your appointments and your closes at much higher ratios. So definitely worth that video. Alex Berman, another really good channel for the agency space. He does a lot of cold emails on his channel, but he has a good cold calling video. So I'm not going to go through all of them. I just want to show you. There's just tons of them on here, or 23 to be exact. Awesome resource. I definitely recommend it. What I'm going to do is drop a link to this in the description, and do yourself a favor. You don't necessarily need to use Close CRM, but hop onto their blog, subscribe, and just get their cold calling content, get their sales content, get their sales strategy content, their virtual sales team content, their sales process content. It's really good stuff. Stelly knows this shit, and Stelly's the owner of the company. He knows this stuff, and it's an invaluable resource. So check out Close's blog. I highly recommend it. I think you guys will dig it. If you need anything, drop a comment below. I hope this resource is helpful for you. My name is Ed. I'm one of the owners here at ClicksGeek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local businesses. If you need anything on that side of it, I'll drop a link to that in the description as well as some of the courses that we sell and our services that we offer. But that's it for today. Have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.